New York, QSL.
QSL 100%. You're beaming up here with very strong signals inside of the northwestern part of Hungary here with 5 and 9, 5 and 8, 5 and 9, 5 and 8. Very strong, Mr. Paul. 2 Alpha Tango 415. I am 109 Echo Tango 110. My operator name is Chris, Charlie Hotel, Romeo India Sierra. And the QTH here is a little small city nearby the border of the 3-5 division. It's called like Kermond. I spell it for you. This is Kilo Kilo, Oscar Oscar, Echo Echo, Romeo, Mike Mike, Echo Echo, Echo November November, Delta Delta. The city name is Kermond, and I'm very close to the border of the 3-5 division and round about 200 kilometers from the capital of Hungary, from Budapest. QSL.
QSL, very, very good there, Chris, very, very good. Your signal report, Chris, by the way, is 5 by 7. 5 by 7, very, very good audio here in New York City. For your information, my location is the city of New York, 1 to 2 miles east of the Empire State Building. 1 to 2 miles east of the Empire State Building, and also east of Ground Zero. 110715. Chris, back to you.
Okay, thank you for your information. By your last over, you're beaming in with 5 and 8, 5 and 9, 5, 8, 5 and 9. But many problems here with Foxtrot Mike stations here, with the Russian FM stations, with the Cure Mexico and the Cures Baker. So very strong here from the Russian side. But no problem, I understand you very clear and very loud with very strong audio here. No problem. On my side, I'm working here with a Jizo Foxtrot Tango 857 Delta. The microphone is modified by Grundmann in Germany. And my antenna is 5'8" vertical, 8 meters over the ground, made by President. It's called like Black Pirate. And the output power here at the moment, I'm running 100 whiskeys, the original output power here from the transceiver. And the WX-ray conditions here in my country, we have now at the moment 8 degrees. And the sun is going down, and very cloudy weather here today. 8 degrees in October 2011. But the propagation are very strong to the USA and into North America. A very good propagation to work over the ocean here. The access very good. I have contacts with the 10 division, 2 division yourself, the 28 division, 1/4 division here inside of Europe, and a very, very strong propagation. It's very difficult to find an empty channel here to talk on the radio. All the frequencies are in use, and very, very difficult to find an unused frequency, Mr. Paul. 415 110 is returning.
QSL, Chris, and negative 415 715 2 Alpha Tango 715. Yes, Chris, for your information, WX here, WX at the moment is very incredible. Just the past couple moments, the weather, it started snowing. It's 39 degrees and snowing here in New York. Very, very crazy weather. Looking out the window, and we got snow on the cars. It is coming down. So WX here is snowing. Very, very strange this time of year, early snow, but nevertheless, there's nothing we can do about it. Hopefully we don't have weather like last winter. It was very, very snowy, but definitely we have to deal with the weather. For your information also, Chris, my working conditions, I'm using a Yaesu 1000 Mike Papa Mark V. My antennas are 4-element Yagi beam on top of a 4-story building. And my power is about 200 watts. Microphone is a Heil Goldline MG4. 110715. Back to you for your final, Chris.
Okay, Mr. Paul. Sorry for the unit number 2 Alpha Tango 715. Sorry for the unit number. It's very, very, very dark here. outside. I'm sitting in the garden. I'm in the second QTH here by my mother and by my father, and I have building up the antenna in the garden here with a aluminium mast here is and I'm trying a 3-element Yagi beam also, but I have a little bit problems with this antenna. I have ground problems and the antenna doesn't work. Now I am with the vertical here, and but this is no problem, but the propagation is very good, and I have no problems with the vertical. But I will use the 3-element Yagi. I bought this on last week, and I will try this antenna here today, but this doesn't work. I will show tomorrow what's the problem of this antenna. Okay, Mr. Paul, I thank you for the nice and short QSO. I wish you a better WX-ray conditions in your country, not so much snow, and when you go outside, take care. Big pleasure to talk with you with New York State. The first QSO today with New York State. I have QSO with Massachusetts, with Tennessee, but not New York State. And I hope that I can catch you soon here on the frequencies on the 11 meters. I wish you all the best, to you and your family, the best numbers, 7351, here from Central Europe, from Hungary. All the best, Mr. Paul. Thank you for the contact. Thank you for your call. I am 109 Echo Tango 110.
Okay, 109 Echo Tango 110, Mr. Chris. Many thanks for the QSO. Very, very nice on the station. It must be nice working DX from the garden. It must be nice for Saturday evening in the garden, my friend. Sitting back, relaxing, eat some food, have some beers, and do a little DX. It sounds like an excellent evening. Okay, 110-715. Gonna say 73 is good DX, my friend. Thank you very much for the contact. Looking forward to the next one. 2AT415. Say ciao, ciao. Cheers and beers, mate.
Okay, bye-bye and ciao, ciao, Mr. Paul. Thank you for the contact. 73. Attention frequency, attention 11 meters. I am 109, Echo Tango 110. Anyone, anywhere, QRZ. I hear 2 Alpha Tango question mark. Come again. 515, is this correct? You're coming very low with very low signals here. I have a little bit problems here with the QR Mexico, and it's very difficult to copy you. Please come with your complete cosine again, my friend. Oh, sorry, mister. Sorry. Very difficult to copy. I have very strong Q speaker here at the frequency on the moment. Very difficult to copy your call sign here. No matter, my friend. I wish you all the best. 73.